Everyone, this is Kashif and my son is Han. Okay, this is my son's toy or game, Boiled Weather Science. It has two bottles, two empty bottles, one bottle connector, baking soda, these beads. It has this
Acid.
chemical citric acid. It has this plastic volcano. This is another bottle. People may remember from science practical of my age, or I don't know about current age as well. And this is one spoon. Okay, it has some games you can see here. One is create a tornado. It has wave breaker, lava eruption, and warm and cold air. Okay, these all show here as well. Okay, my son just tried once, and that reminded me of something I will mention a little bit later. Okay, so I'm going to do create a tornado. Okay, and create a tornado, we need some water in one bottle. We will require water in the other bottle as well. So hang on a second, let me get some water in this one and I'll be back. Okay. Alright, so guys, you can see I have water in this one. I'm gonna put this water bottle connector, tighten it up fully, then just moving it across because it is made of paper. Then putting this next bottle, which is an empty bottle, you can see there's no water in there. Okay, now people of my age, or maybe a little bit later, another 10 years, may remember what I'm about to do and what I'm referring this to. Okay, do you guys remember anything?
Tornado.
Okay. If you don't, I'll mention it when I'm repeating this with the other bottle. And I'm sure you will agree what
Now
I'm referring this to. I need to move all the water. Okay, I've just moved all the water. I'm removing this bottle. I need to put more water in this one. Hang on a second. Back here, I'm gonna put beads in this. I'm just skipping one step because I know the science now, what they have done. Dropped few beads, but it's not gonna affect a lot. Alright. So all of these, Izhan, did you manage to get them? Just give me one. Just give me one. Oh, these are two actually. Okay, now I'm putting this cap again. You can see that the water will not drip that much, how we can expect. Okay, so I'm just screwing this up. Okay, before I do anything, I just want to clear this up a bit. I don't like messy things. Okay, so I'm going to do this now. This process, I'm repeating it because it has more water than the other side. I'll flip this. Now, do you guys remember the Lassi wala? The Lassi wala. I've lived in Hyderabad, Pakistan, and there's one Lassi wala who is quite famous. Zafar Lassi wala of 10 number. Can you see that? Look at that. So this is tornado. Now we are doing this again. It needs a little bit more. but I was actually referring this part for Lassi wala. So Zafar Lassi wala bhai, their relatives, they have a bakery in Ponidas. I don't remember the name of the bakery, but they were quite good friends of mine. Two brothers in their family. Okay, I'm getting ache. Okay, so I'm ending this here now. I only wanted to show you what is this about, this thing, and this reminded me of lassi wala, and I'm actually feeling like I need lassi, okay, which I can't do, like this type of lassi in England while I'm sitting in the lockdown. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Love you. Bye.